All right, going into this trade recap for today, let's start off with a little P&L check. Yep, took a win for the day. For some reason, I should have made more than this, but like some of my accounts just didn't give me as much as I should have had. But it's okay, we take those wins. But going into the day, we were kind of like in this range on the 1 hour, like we were around here. And so I wanted to see like us hit some sort of key level and displace off of it and to decide what I wanted to see get hit. So going into but like my main like bias that I wanted to see was I wanted to see previous day high get hit and us trend towards this daily internal high still, just because like we didn't hit it from yesterday where we were disrespecting this 4 hour gap and just trending higher. So I definitely did overall want to be bullish. And so going into 9:30 here, we have this LR below. Didn't really want to take anything yet. But we get this huge displacing candle here, sweeping out this 1 hour internal high. And I was looking for a Judas swing to take a quick short to take this LR here, but we actually don't get that. And instead, we tap into this 5-minute and get this super clean reaction. We generate all this LR here, and then we soup this 5-minute. And there was a 30-second opening up here, but we just completely ripped through that and inverse this next 30-second right here, which was like really strong displacement. And I just saw all this LR getting ran, so I hopped in this trade here, banged TP in like 30 seconds. Beautiful. And I literally top ticked this. We souped my TP. But then another trade presented itself. I didn't take this, but it was pretty clean to me. So we had this 5-minute internal low here from the low that traded into the 5-minute that I took. So we got the sweep there, and then we had the highest time frame inversion, which was this 1 minute. So we did get this super clean inversion right here. The only issue with this trade was there was a bunch of LR here, and we also created 1 minute equal lows as well. So those were two things that were not super good, but we did have all this LR generated here. So if you had the conviction, this was a pretty clean trade to take. And this ends up running straight up to previous day highs as well. So the draw gets taken. Pretty clean trade if you disregard this down here. But yeah, that's the trade recap for the day. Been on a pretty nice win streak, so I'm pretty happy about that, but definitely not going to get overconfident. But yeah, trade recap is right there.